Alrighty, I may have just lost that first little part of the... I tried to do this before. I pressed the wrong button. I pressed record instead of actually releasing the pause. So yeah, let's take these shaft edges off, bring it down into the actual close to the spoon shape. Sorry if I'm blocking the view. Alrighty, and let's go back to the anvil. Alrighty, here we go. I'm trying out the new way of using this camera. I've learned I found the pause button. So you may hear at the back at the moment, you may hear a circular saw happening. That is one of the maintenance guys currently doing some maintenance out the back, so just letting you guys know that's where it's coming from. Make more like a spoon, just like kink. So now I'm going to need to cut it off here and actually haven't decided if I'm going to draw it out to a length or do I put it into a point or do I put a little swirl on it. Normally I put a swirl on, but I think today I might just bring it into a point. So any questions, feel free, always up for a chat. I will be hopefully doing some more, I'm going to try and do some more vlogging and letting you guys know what's happening and what's going on. At the moment I'm in my festival making season, so I'm pretty much going flat out without, pretty much making stock non-stop. Like last week I kind of had the issue of having school groups on site, so I couldn't actually do any filming for you guys. But today, because there's only maintenance guys on site, I'm able to get away with making stuff without being interrupted as much. Right, currently waiting for this to get hot so I can cut it off. It's getting nearly there. So, bring it over to the hot cut tool. Sorry for the noise in the background, that's just a circular saw for the map. They're currently building the gates out the back. So pop that bit in, get it hot again. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff happening at the moment going on with the castle and my plans for what I'm doing here. I'm currently waiting after these next two festivals, and I'll be going home and having a couple of weeks off, going back to where I'm from. I'm actually thinking I might actually see if I can catch up with a couple of the fellow blacksmiths from back where I was trained, but I'm not sure where they are these days. Last I heard they were one living near Coswick, so I might have to find out what's happening with Murray. Let me take that off there. Ready to an octagon. Right, this is one of my basic spoons, so I'm not putting an extra twist in it, I'm not doing a decorative handle, because I normally don't put these in with my eating kits. These are normally separate. Because normally my eating kits have a little knife, a spoon, a fork, but normally the spoon has a, oops, here's a wooden spoon. Now let's reshape that slightly so it actually works better in the hand. And yes, it is still hot, so try not to burn yourselves. Important bit, wearing gloves. So, but yeah, there's I'm looking forward to actually getting to Quest, so I can actually catch up with a lot of people who are currently following me on this channel. So, and yeah, it'd be great. It's going to be a long week at Quest, so I'm looking forward to it. But it's going to be a long week. For some reason my gloves my tongs are smoking. So there we go, we've got a basic spoon. Let's give it a quick clean up. Still warm, and I might actually turn the jet off so I can actually talk to you guys a bit easier. But you may notice there's a saw out the back making noise, so it just sounds like it's just finished. I spoke too soon. But yeah, here we go, a basic spoon for eating spoons for the medieval kit that I do up. So I'm just going to quickly pop that in the water. I'll be back in a sec. Off come the gloves. Grab the oily rag and dry it off. It's still warm. So here we go. Basic little eating spoon for the medieval kits that I do up. So I do make these occasionally a little bit more wider in the dish. I also square these up and normally put twists and a little loop on the end as well. But for a basic little eating kit, nice little one. So there we go. Now, like, subscribe, and comment. We're always like to hear what you guys would like to see coming up next. And yeah. Don't forget to go out to your shop, have some fun, and don't forget to wear your gloves. Have a good one. See you next week.